I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Night Kitchen. What going on out there? Today, Night Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican authentic rice and peas. Some people call it red rice. Okay? So this is a menu whereas every Sunday is a tradition for us to make this type of dish. So what I have here is I have my peas. You know, we call it red peas in Jamaica. In foreign them call it kidney beans. Okay? So that's been soaking. I put that in the pot to soak overnight with some garlic. Okay? So as you can see, that's bubbling away nicely. And then what I've got here is you cannot cook authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Yeah, if you're gonna use coconut cream. So what I have here now is a coconut. So I'm gonna show you how you make the authentic Jamaican rice and peas from scratch with coconut. Okay? So I'm gonna go into it. So when you have a coconut like this, you have to burst it. Yeah? So you burst it. Jamaican style. No other way. And people, in Jamaica when you burst coconut, you drink the water. You don't waste it. Some of this get was still, so I saw it go. But I drink it. Lovely, lovely. So to hold me beat out the coconut, it ox itself. I'm not going to use all of this, but I'm going to blend out some of it. So you have here, we just break up this in a couple pieces. In a few pieces. I'm going to put that away, I'm not going to use that. And then people are just going to rinse it off. So you wash it. So you wash off the coconut. And get your knife. Some people put in a pudding pan. But me just put it on a cutting board and chop it up. I find it quicker this way. Some people when they're there in Jamaica now, and you cook rice and peas like this, you see them come and all them on them tongue stay here. And I cut up them thing, you know. But for me, you know, just cut up my thing like this, fast and quick. Don't worry about that piece that will fall off. Fast and quick to people. People have to eat peas like coconut. There's no cutting up coconut and you have peas. How we have peas? Trust me. Man. Alright. So we're going to blend it up now. But before we start blending, we're going to wash it again. Cleanse it straight through the kitchen. No short none. See the people? Wash it. Okay? See it nice and pretty? We're going to blend it now. Get rid of some of them little crumbs around the place. I don't want a whole heap of water because we're not enjoying the coconut. Just throw everything on this. The coconut nice, man. I have another piece. Wow. Crazy. I blend now, so you hear a little bit of knife. Yes, people, so finished blend, okay? But what I also want to share with you is some people use coconut cream. So if you want to use coconut cream when you're cooking a rice and peas, feel free to. It's not a problem. But I'm showing you when you're doing authentic. So the coconut, dry coconut, you know, and you blend your thing. See that? Natural. No artificial. As I say, it's just a little pot of rice and peas, so we're not going to overdo it. But I want to show you how the thing works when it's supposed to work. And some people are going to use spoon. So, my hand clean. This is how you juice out your coconut. You juice it. You see that? Back home we juice it like this. And people when we were kids growing up, we wait on this part of the coconut. We couldn't wait till the parents juice the coconut, you know, that's something we check up on like every hour and the hour. Cause the trash, we call this the trash. We normally just rub it up with sugar and eat it. Cause it's nice. Yeah. Coconut well juice out. All natural. Some people want to show you next thing right now. As I say, everything I take out, although everything in the house clean, my kitchen clean, still rinse out and stuff them. So we're going to check for the peas now. And people do check on your peas. Just check if it cooked. It's almost there. See that? Because it has soaked from last night. So, and then a long thing when you have it like this. But one thing, you check on it quite frequently. So right now it wants some water. So we're going to add some water to it. Back home then, so we're going to sink the peas, you know. So back home at this point, so we're going to sink the peas. You just add some more water to it. Add some water to it, let it come back to a boil. And another thing, people, we don't cover the pot fully. We leave it halfway. I don't know why, but it always works. Just leave it like I would a little ear for go inside. That's how we see them cook rice and peas. That's how we know how to cook rice and peas. They leave it halfway. I don't know, it come like it make it nice for some reason. So now we have a coconut milk. Ready? And all I'm going to do now, people, is just cover that until, and put it at the side, until my peas almost ready. Show you how I deal with it from there. So. Yes, viewers. So, as I said before, check your peas on a regular basis. So, as you can see, my peas is almost cooked. Okay? Don't follow me and take it up with your hand because it's hot. Okay? But as you can see, it's cooked. So now I'm going to add my coconut juice. Okay? But what I'm going to do, by adding it, I'm still going to just run it through the strainer. Because you will never get away from all the trash from it. Okay? And as soon as I add it, I'm going to add my seasoning at the same time. So everything just boiling and blending. Green pepper, thyme, scallion, pimento seed. Okay? So let me wash these. As I wash them, I drop them in there. People with the scallion, they beat it. Them say in Jamaica, them say if you beat it. So I'm going to beat it and cut it about 3. Then I add that straight in a pot. And people use pimento seed, don't use ground pimento. And it look like a black pepper rice. Add that to it. People have had a bit of salt in there. Don't worry, I'm going to put up the menu so you can see it. A bit of salt. And as usual, the magic, the all-P, all-purpose. And I'm going to tip a bit of sugar in there, people. You can put a bit of sugar in there. I haven't got any brown sugar at the moment. So I'm using granulated sugar. And as soon as you add all that to it, you give it a stir. Give it a stir. And leave it to come to a boil. Alright. So people, we're going to put in the rice in the pot now. Look at that. As I said, red rice. Okay. So, peas cook. Coconut cream boil out. Everything boil in. So I've got my rice here. People may already wash my rice. Okay? So wash your rice. Wash it as much, as often, as much as you want, because until the water clear. That's how we deal with food. Yeah? Until the water clear, then you can add your rice. So I'm gonna add my rice now. Rice goes straight in a pot. Don't worry about the measurement of the rice. I'm gonna tell you what I'm going about that later. See? And people, my hand swell rice. And I Jamaica them say hand swell rice. So, my hand I go swell the rice here. So I'm going to level off the rice in my pot by giving it a stir. So there you go, people. People, you don't want too much water because the rice will become porridge. Okay? So you just want to make sure the rice, because this is bottom water rice, you don't need a lot of water. Okay? If it's easy cooked, then probably want a bit more. So, as you can see, the water only come up to there when I touch, see? So just a little bit of water, just for level off the rice, just over the rice. Leave it there. Boom bang, that in. Cover. And people turn on the flame. I'm not going to turn it down too low to start with, because I want the rice pot kind of bubble over. I want the rice kind of bubble over into the pot. And once it starts bubble over, then we just carry back low and just make him steam. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So, the thing that we're featuring today, as I said before, is the rice and peas, yeah? So, as you can see the rice and peas, this is the finishing, how it finish, how it look, how it's supposed to look. Okay, nice and shelly. In Jamaica, them say if the rice and peas are shelly, you know, I say nothing. Okay, and what I'm gonna have my rice and peas with, this is my Sunday dinner. I've got some salmon here, brown stew, some okra and carrot just boiled on, yeah. And I got some carrot on its own, because some people don't eat the okra in the household. So that is what we have in it with. So yes, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. And hit the notification button for loads more video coming. Okay? And if you can't cook it, night it.